In this video, I'll guide you through how to get data from other forms in Jotform Tables. Whether you're managing multiple forms or simply trying to consolidate data for easier analysis, Jotform Tables can be a powerful tool to streamline your workflow. Let's dive right into the process. First, head over to jotform.com using your preferred web browser. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account if you haven't already. After you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the page and click on My Workspace. This is where all your forms and tables are organized, making it easy to manage your projects. Now, in My Workspace, you'll see a tab labeled My Tables. Go ahead and click on that. This section is dedicated to all your current tables, and from here, you can create new ones or modify existing ones. To start gathering data from other forms, you'll need to create a new table, so find and click on the Create Table button. When prompted, select Start from Scratch. This option gives you the flexibility to customize your table exactly how you want it without any preset configurations. Once you've done that, you'll notice a button labeled New Tab. Click on it. This step is crucial because it allows you to add new views or data sources to your table. Next, choose Table and then click Next. This sets the foundation for your data structure, preparing it to receive information from other forms. After that, you'll see an option to connect to form. Click on it and proceed by clicking Next. This is where the magic happens, as you're essentially linking other form data to your new table. You'll then be presented with a list of your existing forms. Select the form from which you want to pull data and click Next. This selection process is simple and allows you to choose exactly which form's data you need to work with. Once you've selected the form, it's time to decide which fields you want to include in your new view. You'll see a drag and drop interface where you can easily select the fields that are relevant to your needs. Whether you're interested in names, email addresses, or custom fields you've set up, this step lets you customize your data view to fit your specific requirements. Finally, after you've arranged the fields as desired, click Create. This action finalizes the setup and your new table view will be ready, displaying the data you've pulled in a neat, organized manner. You can now analyze, share, or export this data as needed, making your workflow more efficient and effective. And there you have it. This simple guide has walked you through how to get data from other forms in Jotform Tables. By following these steps, you can easily manage and integrate data from multiple sources, streamlining your data management process. Thanks for watching and happy form building.